on our way to go to Napa. We're taking the ferry from San Francisco. So come with us on our little trip. This is like a day trip, a weekend trip, and you can just get some inspo about what you're doing. I've never been before, so I'm really excited. Napa. And I'm going with my sister. She just moved to San Francisco. Okay, so behind me is downtown San Francisco, right?
What?
This is all downtown San Francisco?
Yeah.
That's just what it's called?
Yeah, downtown.
Downtown San Francisco. And then this is a ferry we're about to get on. And you wait in this little line. It's just like New York. It's just like the New York ferry. We just boarded the ferry and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's actually cute in here. Lala's in the window seat. She's a princess.
I am definitely gonna go grab some chips in a bit.
They have like chips and a little snack bar and all that. And the ferry from San Francisco to Vallejo, which is like 20-30 minutes away from Napa, is an hour, and then you get an Uber from there. But the Uber from here to Napa was like $200, and if you wanted like a nicer car, it was like $400, $500. So we just thought we would try this out.
Yeah.
And then
$9 ticket.
oh yeah, it was $9 ticket. So yeah, you know, we'll probably have to Uber back anyway because we'll be tipsy tomorrow.
Oh, room service.
Thank you. What is it?
Pinot Noir.
Oh, amazing.
No, I got you what you wanted. They had Pinot Noir and Cab.
You got Cab or Pinot?
No, I got Pinot Noir too.
Twin. Cheers. We just got off the ferry. It's really nasty outside. And it doesn't seem like it makes sense with palm trees over there, but now it's like a 20-minute Uber to our hotel, so.
How long does it take?
Yeah, thank you. So you go to the lobby right here?
Yeah, this is good right up here.
Yeah, we'll see. Thank you. It's so cute.
I'm going to give you the sales.
They were so nice in the hotel. We got here kind of late though. I mean, it's not that late. It's only, what time is it? Like 5 something?
It's like 5:30.
It's like 5:30. It's already so dark out. Oh my god, stop! Like, look how cute it is. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Oh, so cute.
Wait, it's so cute.
So cute.
And then the bathroom is like just a cute little. Nice shower, bathroom. Ooh. Okay. Well, what we have to do now is we are gonna shower, get ready for dinner, go to dinner. Okay, cute. Okay. So let's get ready together. So I have to do my lashes and I have to do my full beat. So I don't know if I should include that, but no, guess I didn't see that part. I'll come back when they're done. I think it looks good. Makeup is done. Let's go into good lighting. Makeup's done. Outfit, I'm just doing a little chill outfit tonight. And this is the little fit. Lila's in all black. I'm just wearing like a little baby Skims tee and then these Levi jeans that I got tailored to my body, so they fit. And then I have this Rag & Bone jacket that I'm gonna wear on top. Jeans. These are the little booties. And I took a little. Yep. Also, the Skims wireless bra. It's great for a look. Yep. That's it. We are on our way to dinner right now. We just took a couple flicks. Lila's scared. Lila's scared I'm gonna hate them. I'm also scared I'm gonna hate them. Okay.
we have 30 seconds.
What'd you say?
Don't even look.
She's taking them and she goes, I hate these, to be honest. Like, okay. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it's so cute in there. Fire. Bottega. This is the whole restaurant. Cheers. Do you like it? I like mine too. Mine's really good. I love it. Ooh. This is the bread. What's on with it? It's actually really good. It's really hot, but it's really good. I got the zucchini lasagna. It looks really good. And Lyle got the chicken.
You'll probably do this one too or something.
Yeah, it's very good.
Review time. Overall, the place was really good.
It was really good.
I would say, I would definitely recommend to go.
Yeah, me too.
All the food was really different. The wine was super good. The vibes were so cute.
And it really wasn't that expensive.
And it was only like $180 and we both got like multiple things, multiple glasses of wine. So not that bad, honestly. We're about to pick out a little movie, go to bed, and then we have a lot of stuff planned for tomorrow, so. Okay guys, good morning. I just woke up and I was still sleeping in there, but I came out here to our little patio area. And oh my gosh, look at how, it's so cute. Ready? Look, it's a little fountain here. And then look this way, it's like the little grapes and whatever, the vineyard actually. Oh my gosh, so cute. You can see like the mountains. That is so cute. Anyway, last night was so fun. We were about to go to get breakfast, and then we have a couple of like wine tastings and restaurants and whatnot today, so excited for the day.
Just look up.
Hold on, can you even see?
You can't see over there. There's like
you can.
grapevines. Gorgeous.
Cute.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We're gonna go grab some breakfast, some coffee.
Oh, look at who just popped out of bed and is ready to go. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Little gym, swinging bench. And this is where the breakfast is. It's so cute in here. Look at over here. Love. So we like to be by the window. You know the TikTok trend where it's like someone did this and that basically sums up their personality and the type of person they am? Me moving across and making my sister move all of her food items and everything so we can sit by the window while we're here. That's the type of person I am. I mean, come on. I only live once, come on. look at it out here. Oh my god, it's so cute. Sister trip. We have another sister, but she didn't come.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Miss you, Ave.
Miss you, Avie girl.
Okay, so I'm getting ready to go to our first little lunch and wine tasting. Lila's getting ready too in the bathroom. But this is my fit for the day. I'm wearing a Gap sweater set from Gap. That's like the tall version. And if you haven't bought anything from Gap recently, they have really good stuff. Yeah, my sister said really good stuff too. Our first place we're going to is Restoration Hardware. I heard it's so cute here, specifically in Yountville. It's like wine centric, obviously. So going there, and then we have a wine tasting after that. We might go to like 2, and then yeah, that's gonna be our day. So excited, and like literally could not recommend this hotel more. It's so cute. So beautiful in here. Oh, those peppers are good. Too good. It looks so good.
The Rosé Spritz.
The Rosé Spritz here is phenomenal.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, seems better. I love this place. We just left Restoration Hardware. It was so good and cute. We're walking down the road. We're just walking. It's like a 10-minute walk. And it's called what?
Hill Family Estate Winery.
Hill Family Estate Winery. This is where we're going. Okay, first wine tasting at Hill Family Estate. This Chardonnay is so good. It's like a Christmas. Let's focus on me.
It's supposed to wait a couple more minutes.
So good. It's like I'm done.
Petite Bordeaux.
This is delicious. This immediately goes.
Okay, this is a different one. Hill Family tasting. It's honestly been so cute. They're so nice. All of the wines have been so good. My favorite was the Chardonnay so far.
Mine was this.
And that is what?
The Syrah.
Syrah.
Very, very good. Medium body.
Okay. Here.
Yeah, we have a small winery in Napa Valley.
How far away is that? Oh,
Good pick by me.
yes, lay girl. Can't see me, but what? We gotta sit outside. Come on. Look at that.
Hope you get some good footage or whatever.
Yeah,
being
yeah,
I
no,
don't even-
they reviewed it very, like,
Yeah.
a
Okay.
lot of people on TikTok said this is, like, I saw one person who gave a ton of vineyards around Yountville, and they said that this one was her absolute favorite, and so we were like, we have to go try it,
So this is literally stunning here. This is like a movie. What is even going on? And we're like the only people here. This is fake. This isn't even real. So literally great time to come to Napa is right before Thanksgiving because there's like no one here. I think this is amazing. They made us a little sign. This is for my sister.
I don't even know how you make a video. So
filling it up.
Here, you can see yourself.
Oh, let me see.
You can see yourself?
I can't.
I'm gonna keep making these like trip vlogs because I'll do like bougie budget type of videos where you're not spending like so much money, but like literally like doing the research to get the best experience
And
for
honestly,
the least amount of money.
honestly, like, I've been wine tasting before, and like I feel like Emma and I did this in like a very pleasant but almost budget friendly way.
Yeah.
Not like extremely budget friendly or like extremely
Yeah, like
expensive,
not
just
like
very
the
reasonable way.
cheapest, not like the cheapest, but you're getting the best amount of experience for your dollar and all of the things that they do. So it's not like cheap, but it's like the maximized experience.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna keep making these videos. So thanks for watching. If you want to follow me, and
Follow her. Do it. She's like gonna give you the best recommendations ever.
I'll definitely like take the best approach in planning my trip. So
She will.
thank you and bye. The Golden Gate Bridge. Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching. We're at the airport going home now, but it was so fun. Honestly, 10 out of 10 experience overall. Hotel was amazing. Both of the places we went wine tasting were so much fun. And then you get a little Uber home of the Golden Gate Bridge. It was really cute. Bye. Until next time.
Until next time.